Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how I achieved this perfect blowout right here, so make sure you stay tuned. One important step in getting a really cute blowout is choosing the right tool. I'll be using the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. This hair tool is specifically designed to simplify your styling routine by combining the power of a dryer with the convenience of a paddle brush. This large flat brush has flexible bristles that detangles hair while styling, making it ideal for straightening and soothing your hair strands. And another thing is, if you're on a budget, it's super affordable. The first step in making sure your blowout is successful involves properly preparing your hair. I'm starting off with cleaned, washed hair, meaning my hair has been pre-pooed, shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, leave-in conditioned, and the sorts. I have my hair twisted in sections, which have been air dried overnight. I never blow dry soaking wet hair. That's a big no-no for me. This allows my hair to stretch naturally and therefore having to use less heat on it. The next step is using an effective heat protectant. I'm using Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. You want to make sure you shield your strands from heat damage, and this is the perfect product to do so. This spray protects against thermal damage, while vitamins and proteins add essential moisture. After adding your heat protectant, detangle your hair. I'm using my detangler and scalp massager. This is my favorite thing to use because I rarely experience breakage with this tool. So my hair has already been detangled, but I want to make sure I'm evenly distributing the product throughout my strands. I take that same section and begin to blow dry. Revlon 1 has 3 settings: high, low, and cool. I'm using the low setting. I don't really want to put too much heat on my hair just because I'm super paranoid about heat damage. Of course, this is my personal preference. When you're doing this, you can choose whichever setting benefits you. Because I'm using the low setting, it will take longer to achieve the look I desire. I'm doing quick passes, but I'm sure if I slow it down a bit, I won't have to do it so many times. You can see that my hair isn't snagging on the bristles. My hair is passing through effortlessly. This is completely different from a traditional blow dryer with the comb attachments. As a kid, I had nightmares. The comb would never stay on, and by the time we were done, it would be missing some teeth. I've always had a pleasant experience with this tool. Going forward, I may try some other products from Revlon, but you know what they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Y'all, look how straight my hair is. Later on, I will be giving myself a trim because these ends are looking a little raggedy, but I'm happy with the results. After blow drying, I like to twist the section back up and pin it. This helps to keep my hair sectioned and the strands stretched. This is just an up-close look at how bad my ends are. Lightly dusting will maintain a clean and polished look. Then, I just repeat the same process throughout my entire head. Once I'm finished, I remove the pins, take my hair shears, and snip the ends of my hair. So not only does trimming your hair improve the appearance of it, but it also prevents split ends. If you neglect your trims, those split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing further damage and breakage. I try not to get too attached to my hair length so that whenever I notice knotting and tangling more than normal, I treat it like a toxic relationship. It's time to let them go. I just want y'all to know, if it ain't obvious enough, I am not a professional. I just do whatever works for my hair. There will be some trials and tribulations, but you just continue to push through them. At the end of the day, your hair just wants love, like most of us out here. Give it love, and I promise you it will thrive. I finished taking out the twists, and there it is, the perfect blowout. All the products will be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love y'all. Most importantly, God loves y'all. Peace.